Good evening, this is VoxMan Kyle, and I'm here to share with you a beatboxing insight that I had. I hope you can hear that trumpet lesson in the background. There's a trumpet lesson happening here, and that goes very well with my evening apple juice. This is my favorite time to think about beatboxing. So, the premise that I'm going to go over here is building upon the inward snare. So if you guys don't know how to do that, just Google or go to humanbeatbox.org or .com and look up the inward snare. It's essentially done by sucking a K sound in with a lot of force. So what I'm going to talk about is some other sounds that you can do in an inward suck that produces some pretty cool effects. So the first one is just, rather than doing the letter K, we're doing the letter P. With controlling the sibilance of your tongue, you can get some pretty neat effects. Okay, next one is the word sip, inwards. Sip, I'm sipping my evening apple juice. Sip, sip. So that's kind of like a reversed hi-hat. So you hit the hi-hat, reversed. Cool stuff. The next one is the word we. We are having a great time. So add a lot of force to that when you get this big old scrape, like ripping the masking tape off of a cardboard box. Cool. Next one is the word kiwi, but inwards. Kiwi. I am enjoying this kiwi with my apple juice. Kiwi. Kiwi, 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 kiwi. Kiwi goes really well with the electro-scratching technique that I believe I saw a tutorial on humanbeatbox.com, which is essentially saying whispering the word chewy in a bunch of different ways. So kiwi can be used to get some breath in without breaking up that sort of sound. Can you guys tell the difference? Well, anyway, it's a good way of sneaking in some breath. Let's see. Next one is similar. It's the word kiss. So that's like doing the inward snare, but adding some reverb to it, or some kind of hi-hat stuff. Blah, blah, blah. One of my favorites, though, is the word kiss and the word sip combined to get kissip. It's not a real word, but you can imagine. Compressed, so they're not two actual separate words, but one fluent syllable, you get some pretty neat stuff. Really sharp. It's almost like when a drummer takes the hi-hat cymbal, opens it up, so you get that splashing sound, and then closes it and does it really fast. And it's kind of a surprising thing that you can do at an end of a drum fill. So you're going... Get what I'm saying? There's the drum reference. So, in the context of a beat, Kissip could be doing stuff like this. Too much breathing in. You get the idea. Can do a lot of really cool things. So yeah, I hope this this insight has been insightful, and this tutorial has been totally tutoring, and I hope you enjoy practicing some of these techniques and throwing them into your beats. Boom.